myDEPRAG, your customer portal. DEPRAG is proud to present the latest digital service on my.deprag.com. The myDEPRAG customer portal will enable you to find products, view product information, and place orders anytime, anywhere. And that's not all. Register now to make use of the full range of functions. For example, software and updates, download and activate, view documents, canned data, or instruction manuals. Keep an eye on your plant machinery using the installed base, or adjust screwdriving programs with ease using DEPRAG iServe. myDEPRAG, your customer portal. Register now.